welcome to my channel Moon's World. Who is not lazy at night and wants to take care of their skin? Because night time I prefer to do any kind of treatment because your skin is in rest. So that time whatever you put, any treatment you do, it works better than the daytime. So daytime environmental stress, sun, your makeup, many things bothering the treatment. So night is the best time to take care of your skin. So if you are in that group, then we got today the retinol. So this is night serum from Rock and it comes in capsules. In this one box, 30 capsules. Every night, one capsule. Want to smooth your lines, even tone? This is the one. Just we have to make sure that we have to use nighttime. Next day, we have to use sunscreen. And when we use retinol, then we may face some mild tingling, redness, but it's very normal to have that. If you face those kind of problem, then instead of use every night, use every other night. So your skin get adjust with this product and then you can use it every night. I'm using on my face, but I also did the online research. 100% people recommend this product and 97% had smoother skin in just one night. Rock retinol capsule comes in one box, 30 capsule, that means for 1 month. Each capsule is 100% biodegradable and antioxidant with 2 times effectiveness of vitamin E. So this is very lightweight, no fragrance, and it is made with pure retinol, A+ bio-derived antioxidant, clinically proven, fragrance-free, and dermatologist tested. In 1 week, skin was 63% more hydrated and skin appears more firmer. And in 4 weeks, fine lines and wrinkles visibly reduced and 3 out of 4 women thought this product delivered results better than they expected from skincare. So I like the capsule only because it comes, let me open it and show you. Nowadays they are working on the capsule and it makes sense. Each capsule, you open it and it's fresh. You have to just twist this one. It's enough for face and neck, and each capsule has what we need for our face for one application. So it's safer, is better because it's not open. Sometimes in the container, the air, these things goes, you touch your skin, then if you don't use, then bacteria can grow. So these things are safer to use and you are getting more benefit from the capsules. That's what I think so. That's why maybe they are working on the capsule more than ever. Now almost every brand, they are working on these capsules. It discovered a potent overnight renewal treatment in a single use capsule, sealed tight for optimal freshness. And Rock Retinol Correction Line Smoothing Night Serum. The capsule dramatically smooths and improves the look of collagen depleted skin. And 97% had smoother skin in one night. So they are made with the high concentrate of pure rock retinol, bio-derived antioxidant with 2 times the effectiveness of vitamin E. In one night, wake up to smoother, revitalized looking skin. Use it nighttime, wake up with the fresh look. It says experience a potent overnight renewal treatment in a single dose capsule. 97% saw that. And sealed tight for optimal freshness. How to use it? Gently twist to open the capsule. Smooth serum over clean face. Anything you use, any treatment, of course, is on the clean face after the toner. Face and neck at night when skin is the most receptive for renewal. That's what I told before, that night is the best time to take care, to do any kind of treatment on your skin. You may experience mild tingling or redness, which is okay, during the use, but this is very normal, should be temporary until your skin adjusts. So if this occurs, apply this product every other night. Gradually you can do every night. So in just 4 weeks, what it promises to us. It says the fine lines and wrinkles are visibly reduced and skin appears more firmer, and it is clinically proven. Want to speed up your skin renewal process from RoC? This retinol can be your one option. Every night on your clean face, use 1 capsule, and after that you follow your skincare regime like eye cream and moisturizer, and next day use at least 15 SPF moisturizer. Any kind of irritation, any kind of mild tingling, okay to have, just use them every other night so that your skin can adjust, and gradually you can increase the time. So why RoC? RoC was the first to discover a method for stabilizing retinol and combining it with ingredients like vitamin E to make it safe and effective for daily use. You can use it the way they make it, because the retinol is a little bit stronger, but they are working for 25 years and they make it safer for our skin, and they are working on that in 25 years. They are one of the leading experts in retinol skincare. RoC is committed to making anti-aging solution accessible to everyone and without the prescription. This improved the look of collagen, depleted skin with these capsules, night serum, and sealed in tight for optimal freshness. That's why I like it, and that's why maybe people are liking it, and that's why maybe we're having more capsules than ever. Proven results: is lightweight, is fragrance free, and is dries in a silky finish, and is clinically studied. I told you, anti-aging formulas. Of course, it's external use. It's capsule, but it's for external use. At night, if you want your skin, don't stop doing renewal process on your skin, and you want to look fresh, more bright in the morning, then you can use this RoC retinol capsule, and it's fragrance free, dermatologist tested, and clinically proven for sensitive skin as well. That's all for today. 30 capsules come in 1 box for every night on your clean face. So use this one. Let's see how it works. If you don't subscribe my channel till, please subscribe it and stay with me. Thank you.